Dear students, in this video we are going to see about the working principle and the construction of electric vehicle. Electric vehicles have an electric motor instead of an internal combustion engine. The vehicle uses a large traction battery pack to power the electric motor and must be plugged into a charging station or wall outlet to charge. Because it runs on electricity, the vehicle emits no exhaust from a tailpipe and does not contain the typical liquid fuel components such as fuel pump, fuel line or fuel tank. So electric vehicles use a battery pack to store the electrical energy that powers the motor. Uh, EVs are sometimes referred to as battery electric vehicles. EV batteries are charged by plugging the vehicle into an electric power source. Although electricity production may contribute to air pollution, the Environmental Protection Agency categorizes all electric vehicles as zero emission vehicles because they produce no direct exhaust or emissions. Both heavy duty and light duty electric vehicles are commercially available. So they are typically more expensive than similar conventional and hybrid vehicles, although some cost can be recovered through fuel savings uh, like uh, like that. Okay, let us see the components of an electric car. First prime factor is battery. So in an electric drive vehicle, the auxiliary battery provides electricity to power vehicle accessories. So various accessories there. So this is the battery. Uh, Next one is the charge port. So this is the charge port where it allows the vehicles to connect to an external power supply in order to charge the traction battery pack. And converter, DC-DC converter. So this device converts a high voltage DC power from the traction battery pack to the low voltage DC power needed to run vehicle accessories and recharge the auxiliary battery. So this is the DC. Here it is placed as a DC-DC converter. And next is electric traction motor. So electric traction motor is a device which is used from power from the traction battery pack. This motor drives the vehicle wheels. Some vehicles use motor generators that perform both the drive and the regeneration functions, like a kind of generator pack. So simply to say, it is a kind of dynamo. So next one is onboard charger. So takes the incoming AC electricity supplied via the charge port and converts it to DC power for charging the traction battery. It monitors battery characteristics such as voltage, current, temperature and state of charge while charging the pack. So next one is a power electronics controller. So it is a heart of the system. This unit manages the flow of electrical energy delivered by the traction battery, controlling the speed of the electric traction motor and the torque it produces. And the most important thing is cooling system, that is the thermal system. So the system maintains a proper operating temperature range of the engine, that is prime mover, electric motor, power electronics and other components associated with the vehicle. And transmission system, that is electric transmission system. So the transmission transfers mechanical power from the electric traction motor to drive the wheels. As like a conventional IC engine type of vehicles, a transmission system will be it transfers the mechanical energy produced by the prime mover, that is the engine, to the wheels. Here it transmits power from electric motor to the wheels. So driving range, in the view of driving range, generally it have a shorter range than comparable conventional vehicles. So the efficiency and driving range of EVs vary substantially based on the driving conditions. So extreme outside temperatures tend to reduce range because more energy must be used to heat or cool the cabin. So high driving speeds reduce range because of the energy required to overcome increased drag. So this kind of questions may be asked in 13 marks in 15 unit of automobile engineering in Anna University examinations. So we have to draw the two-dimensional drawing. So it is not possible to draw this three-dimensional view shown here. It is just for understanding purpose. So you have to draw the two-dimensional drawing. You can take it from the textbook, uh, and you have to write a construction working principle of this electric vehicle. So prepare well. Thank you.